Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to get rich faster in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to get rich faster, you need to join the Brainrot battle or the Brainrot in fashion. Okay, this is the incoming battle. As you can see, that we will get 59 million, and we will get sunflower seed and also Alessio Brainrot. Okay, and you can join the battle, and if you can win the battle, you will get the reward. And of course, you need to have a lot of plans right here so it can help you to win the game. So win the battle. Before you join the battle, you need to prepare for the plant. Okay, and yeah, you can win the battle if you have a lot of plants on your garden. And you can also place your brain rot on this place, and the brain rot can give you money. For example, this one. Okay, I already got 11 million from this brain rot. And to get the cash or to get the money, you can pick up the brain rot and then you can place it back to the stand. Oops. And yeah, just like that, I'm going to place the brain rot here. Okay guys, and that's all the tips to get rich faster in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.